Okay, Ender 3. Before you assemble the Ender 3, check so there are no burrs from when they were cutting the aluminum profiles, because if there are small burrs when you put on the wheels, they will create marks in the wheels that could eventually cause problems. So if your wheels are dented by the burrs, that problem will be there forever. So I just take a file and the burrs that's in here, just drag the file across once and they're all gone. Okay, I've been trying to figure this one out. When I move the table, it stops at certain points. I think the wheels that's underneath, when it came, the wheels were so hardly clamped that I think they've been deformed. I've been trying to change the tension, but if I undo the tension too much that it moves freely, then it becomes slightly wobbly sideways, and I can feel that one of the wheels underneath isn't even against the aluminum. Yes, I have to leave it as it is, and if it becomes a problem, I have to exchange one or more of those wheels. The screws here for the power supply is M4 20 millimeters. It doesn't say so, so I say it. The screws for the Z motor is M4 18 millimeters. It doesn't say, but I guess it's those because they have this chamfer on them, and the holes in the motor mount is also chamfered. So okay, first test, half ahead of the Silver Surfer. Layer height 0.5. No, 0.05. Perfect. Totally smooth.